Okay, and we are live, and we are in a much different place now. You can see behind me, that is Tokyo's red light district, Kabukicho in Shinjuku. And originally, there was going to be a Kabuki theater here, which is why it's called Kabukicho, but that didn't happen though. So now, ever since then, it is Japan's red light district. For those of you back home, this is basically the Bourbon Street of Tokyo, but except it's much safer, way safer, and also much different. So we're going to take a walk through. I hope you enjoy the sights here. So here we go. This is the entrance, Godzilla Road. They blocked it off the cars. I can see the kanji. There's no English, but they blocked it off the cars. No cars. By the way, if you could see Godzilla is up there. This is Godzilla Road. Quite iconic. Yeah, this is pretty much the center here. Let's take a walk around here. And look at all these girls lined up to advertising for I guess their maid cafes. There's a lot of them. They don't want to be caught on camera though. That's why you see them covering their faces. I'm not going to look directly at them. That'd be a bit rude. But they're all lined up. Look at them. Look at them here. Yeah. And by the way, there are Yakuza out here. You just don't know it. They blend in very well. And here is Kabukicho Tower. This was just built not long ago. It has become a very famous scene here. It's really tall. But there it is, Kabukicho Tower. Yes, it seems like Kabukicho Tower is open. What a pleasant surprise. I thought I might have been too late, but here it is. Kabukicho Tower. This is more of a family type place. Oh, this seems pretty lively tonight. Second floor up here. Gotcha game. Gotcha. These are vending machines for very small, like statuettes, figurines. You take a gamble, you never know what you get in these. And this is another arcade. They're everywhere, not just in Akihabara. Okay, let's go this way. Host bar advertisements. They are quite famous, top dandy host bars. They're for ladies who need men to talk to because people in Japan, they actually pay to talk to people. And for drinks, of course, but mostly host bars like Top Dandy, they're for company because people in Japan are very shy, unlike Americans. So yeah, paying for company is a thing here. Seems like a dangerous alley, but it's not. It's actually very safe. More host bar advertisements. So here we are, Golden Gai, very famous place. It was originally for artistic type people, artists and musicians in Tokyo. They would come out here and hang out a lot, but increasingly, lots of tourists have come here, and some are for locals, but most bars here, tourists they reserve in advance because this is a very unique looking place, and we're about to see what it looks like. Look how small the alleys are. Look at that. Narrow. Okay, and we're back where we started, but we're done with our trip here. So, everybody, thanks for watching again. And we've seen a lot of places here in Kabukicho. We saw the Golden Gai, we saw all the surroundings, all the neon lights. It's quite different from Bourbon Street. I did compare it to Bourbon Street, but it's a lot safer and also a lot more tame. And overall actually prettier and cleaner. I mentioned cleaner, yes, much cleaner. So, but anyway, everybody, I'm going to leave it there. So just let me know in the comments what do you think of Kabukicho here, and I will see everybody in the next video. So see you later.